Take two, guys, of this. My girlfriend keeps calling, but I'm going to show you how I do deer steak. Fried deer steak, that is. So, let me go in here, get the pan going. 2 sticks of butter tonight, guys. Put it on like a medium-high heat. Take your butter out of the packs, out of the butter packs. Throw your butter in the pan and let that start cooking down while you're breading your deer steak. I am going to show you another trick I do to my deer steak to get it tasting a little bit. But anyways, here we go. 2 sticks of butter unwrapped. I just double checked to make sure I get everything off. So now you're gonna let that butter heat up. Take your deer steak. So this is from the 13-point buckeye shot, guys. The dough's in the freezer. So take your deer steak. Open up the bag. Okay, it's still good. Take your Worcestershire sauce into the bag that the deer's in. All that does is help flavor all that deer meat just a little bit. I'm out of this, so I have to have my mom order me more. She's my payee. Mix all that Worcestershire sauce in for about a minute or two into that bag. Just gives it a really nice flavor. Take your bag, take your seasoned flour. This is just pepper, garlic, salt, garlic powder, and salt all mixed in to the flour. So about maybe like that much flour, probably a cup at a time. Half a cup to a cup, depending on how much deer steak you have. I'm not doing this whole bag tonight for dinner. I'm going to cook some of this tomorrow for lunch too. But I'm going to do probably about 4 to 5 pieces tonight. Decent sized pieces. So that would be 4. I'm going to get one more good chunk of, maybe 2 more good chunks. And then the rest of this is going to marinate in that stuff tonight. That's in the bag. Now you leave all the air in the bag, zip it up, give this a really good shake. Helps all nice and coated with your spoon here. Kind of move that butter into the middle there where the heat's actually melting it down. And if you have to kind of chop it up a little bit into small pieces, it'll melt quicker. I mean, you could melt your butter before you put it in your cast iron in the microwave and then add it to your cast iron and let it get hot. So once all your butter's melted and it's heated up nicely, and you see bubbles popping, that means it's ready. Then you're going to shake off the excess. Your deer meat should look like that before you lay it in there. You could do a double coating if you wanted. On that. Now, what I recommend you doing is sealing your flour up. I'm putting it in the fridge because the raw meat was in there. If you have a bunch of deer steak like I do, this is how you do it. Now, take your lid to your mixing bowl that holds your other seasoned flour. You could also use this for chicken, fish, pork steaks, a bunch of different stuff. So I probably have another cup and a half of seasoned flour here. This is going in the fridge too. Take your seasonings. Take your seasoning cap. Screw it back on. This is my homemade seasoning. This is a prototype to what's to come, guys. I like this one. I also have the spicy version of this one made. That's good too. I'm trying to find a spice company to help me make it and get it out to you guys. You will need tongs for this, guys. After a few minutes, flip your deer steak. It should be nice and golden brown. Remember, this isn't fish. It does not have to be coated that well. This is deer meat. You want to see the meat through the breading. Get the thickest piece of the meat in the middle. You want to cook this for like 2 to 3 minutes on each side, so it's medium rare. And all the flour's cooked down. I'll show you what I use for jerky making with deer meat. I use Maceo brand jerky seasoning packets. They also make summer sausage. So inside the box, what comes inside this box for deer jerky, which I'm making this week, is original jerky seasoning. Whiskey pepper seasoning. And hickory seasoning. Then you get 3 1-ounce cure bags, guys. You can put these all in one container. You could mix all 3 of these together if you wanted into one big container. But I'm not going to. This is what we're looking for on the deer meat. I'm going to show you guys after I get it done. That's what we're looking for. Nice dark golden brown. Let me go grab some paper towels. But that's what I use for jerky. Back off, guys. Grab your tongs after you've got your paper towels laid out. Pull this deer steak. Out of your pan. Now, if you wanted to make gravy, especially brown gravy, save that butter, add flour, add milk. There's your brown gravy. But I'm not making gravy tonight. Grab a knife. Is it even good? Of course it is. Because I made it. This is Deer Slayer. More recipes will be coming towards you guys.